Yes.
Yeah. Others?
Uh, Sir, I'm not a part of that group.
Okay. Have you completed your enrollment?
Yes. Yesterday only I completed.
And did you get any confirmation email from them?
Yes, I got that.
Okay. So then they might have sent you a link to join the WhatsApp group. Just check that. If not, you give me your details like your name, mobile number,
Uh-huh.
name, and email ID only to me in the chat. I'll ask them to call back you.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah. So that is the reason we are extending, and today will be the last demo. And from Monday onwards, Zoom link is going to be changed. Okay. So let's quickly look at what we learned yesterday. So, and once the demo class are completed, once the actual classes are starting, so I'll be on, I mean, now also I'll be joining on every day on time, right? Exactly before 7 a.m. And I was waiting for at least 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 8 minutes, right? From Monday onwards, we'll start the class by 7:02 or 7:03. So I request everyone to be on time by 7. Okay. Because I wanted to join on time, complete on time, because I know you guys are working and or having some work. I wanted to respect your time. I request you to respect my time too. Okay. So now let's come back to the class. What we learned is divide conquer algorithm, right? So how does the divide conquer algorithm will work, and how can I write a code, and actually like what is a recursion? That is what we learned, right? So did anyone get a chance to write the recursion algorithm or this code on your own? Or do you guys need more time?
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow will be tomorrow and after tomorrow no class, right? So I request you
Yeah.
guys to try this merge sort on your own.
Sure.
Okay. If you are able to write the merge sort on your own, I'm definitely telling you, uh, there will be a lot of improvement in your way of thinking. Generally, we think ourselves that I'm not good at coding. I do not know how to write the code, etc. Right? But just remember the concept and try this writing this merge sort on your own. Definitely, you feel the different, and you can tell me that whether you are improved or not. Okay. So now let's come back. So if I don't write this condition, what will happen? Or what is the importance of this condition?
Using this point only, we are breaking out from the recursive calls.
Yeah. If you do not do the recursion break, then it continuously calls the method, and memory will be occupied in the stack because it's a static method, or recursive method calls will happen in the stack. You get a stack overflow exception. So whenever you are writing a what you call recursion program, you should write a condition to come out of the recursion. That is very, very important. Okay. Now we have created merge sort a comma l comma n, merge sort a comma m plus 1 comma h. So when I write this condition l less than h, what does it mean? What is the meaning of this L less than h? I mean functional, not see, if L less than means like if L value is 0, H value is 4, 0 less than 4, the condition is true and it will continue. But technically, if I compare this coding to my two-way merging concept, we have the two-way merging, correct? So if I compare this coding to my two-way merging concept, what does it mean?
When L and H are equals, means individual. Every component is individual. At the time, we will be breaking it.
Yeah. So according to the concept of merge sort, you the given array you will break into a individual arrays. So now that means you have to continue the divide conquer until you get a individual array. Individual array means the array should contain or only one element. So when you have only one element, array index generally starts with 0 and ends with array dot length. Now, if you have only one element, that itself is your low element, that itself is your high element. So L less than H will fail. That means you are continuing till L less than H. Once L less than H if this condition is false, what does it mean? You have received a individual element. You should stop doing the recursion. or you should stop doing the divide conquer, correct? Now let's write the what is left over, merge program, right? So do we know merge sort, two-way merging?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's copy this two-way merging and then keep it there. So this is the entire two-way merging code, right? I'm copying this code, whatever we have written. So in the merge method, I need to write, correct? I have written, right? But here in the two-way merging, what you need? What is M? What is N? These are two arrays, correct? So in the two-way merging, I request you guys to speak with me, or I mean, let's make it as an interactive session rather than one person talking. Now, the principle of two-way merging is having two sorted arrays. So A is a sorted array, B is a sorted array. Now, now here, do I have the two sorted arrays? Whenever I'm calling this method from main method, do I have the sorted arrays?
Yes.
Do I have the sorted arrays? I mean, to this method.
Yes, we have.
How?
Uh, we have rather individual elements into array rather.
Yeah, we do not have a separate arrays, but rather we have a position so that we can create a array, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So now if you look at the algorithm that we have written, yeah, merge sort algorithm. So there is a merge sort algorithm that we have written, correct? Now if you look at first a comma 0 comma, see first a comma 0 comma 4 is divided into 0 comma 2 and 3 comma 4, right? Now this will be further 0 comma 4 and this is common. And you are calling a command merge method, correct? Now, whenever you're calling this merge method, what is the merge method is taking? A comma, which is A is nothing but your array, L comma lowest index, middle index, highest index. Now, whenever you're, if you remember so what did I say? Low to medium is left array, medium plus 1 to high is right array, correct? Now, so now I have three elements. So whenever you're calling this merge method, you're calling this merge method from various places. Look at here. You're calling this merge method here, correct? You're calling here, and you're calling here, sorry, here, and at the end, correct? Multiple places I'm calling this merge method. Always what am I passing? Indexes. So using these indexes, can I create a left array and right array? If I look at this one, guys, let us take, this is the method that is getting called a comma 0 comma 2 comma 4. Now, in this one, can someone tell me what is the L value?
0.
Okay. M value?
2.
2. H value?
4.
Okay. According to the concept, what would be, see, these are the L, M, H means, how are you dividing the arrays? Based on what positions?
L to M.
L2 left to, that is nothing but L to M is one array, correct?
Yes.
And then next array?
M plus 1.
M plus 1 to H. Everyone understand this one, correct? Now, L to M means, in this example, what is the size of, what is the L? 0. 0 to 2 is one array, correct? And 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 3 to H is another array, correct? Agree with me?
Yes.
Now, based on these positions, I need to create a data from original array to this left array and right array. Do you guys agree for that? Because to perform the two-way merging, you need two sorted arrays. But do I have the sorted arrays ready? No. But what I have these positions. From these positions, can I create an array first? You prepare the array and then copy the data from original array, correct? Now, before preparing the array, what I need to do? I need to declare the array, correct? Okay. Now, can someone tell me what would be the left size of left array? So here, in this example, whenever I'm performing merge a comma 0 comma 2 comma 4, you mentioned that L is 0, M is 2. So 0 to 2 is your left array. Then what is the size?
8.
Sorry.
8.
No. What is the size of the left array? L to M is one array, correct?
M,
So it is starting with 0 and it is ending with 2. Tell me in numbers wise.
M
0 to 2 means how many elements?
3.
3 elements, correct? So, but Nagaraju, you said, now which variable is holding 3?
No.
No, correct? So, taking M is not correct, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, what should I keep then? So,
M
that
plus
means,
1.
or what, how do you define the size? You tell me, how are you coming up with this size? Generally, you are given with low index and high index. How do you come up with the size?
Using L and M, sir.
Yeah. How? What is the formula you took?
That dividend L plus H divided by 2.
That is okay. Now, for example, now let us take, my array size is 0 and I have 1000 element. Last element is 10th. Let us take, okay. I have an array. L value is 0 and H value is this one. Now, what is the length of the array? What is the length of the array? How do you come up with length of an array?
898.
Using H actually.
Only H
plus H.
Plus
H?
H plus 1.
Why H plus 1?
Starting from 0, sir. That's
Okay, starting from 0. Now, okay, this is, you are considering, since it is L value is 0, you are, see, generally if I array index starts with 0, hence H is nothing but A dot length minus 1. So this is 8987 is the length of the array, but I have to include 0, so you said H plus 1, correct? Now this is holds for left side, but in the whenever you are performing a divide conquer, look at here right side. Sometimes you need to perform the divide conquer for this also, correct?
yes.
What is this array? It's a right side array. Right side array, what is the L value?
3.
Here, L value is 3. Now H value is 4. 4 plus 1, will it work? If what is the array of this size of this array? What is the array size?
2,
2 only, correct? But according to your formula, whatever you said just now, H plus 1. H plus 1 will give you how much? 4 plus 1, 5. Size of the array will give you 5. So whatever you said will work for only this side, correct? But not this side, correct? So in
Yes,
general, how do you say? Can I say that my array size, if I have a L element and if I have a H element, can I say that my size of the array would be H minus L plus 1 generally? Because for left side, H minus L plus 1. For right side, H minus M, correct?
yes, sir. Yeah.
So let's take this example. L, M, H. 10, 15, 21, 32, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us take 7. Okay. Now what L equal to 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So L equal to 0, M equal to 6. Or let us take 5. 5. H equal to 5. 0 plus 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2. Okay. 0 to 2 your left array, correct? Which is nothing but these 3 elements. Now 3 to 6 is your, 3 to 5 is nothing but your right side array, correct? Now how do you get a size? So L to M, M plus 1 to H. Now always, how do you get a size always? Last index minus initial index plus 1, correct? I mean, if it is starting with 0. So left side it is starting with 0. Left side it is starting with 0. What you need to do? M minus L plus 1 will be your array size, correct? Because M is nothing but your last index. L is nothing but you are starting with 0. Hence you are adding plus 1. Agree with me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
right side size would be? What is the size of 3, 4, 5? What is
H minus
H is 5, M is 2. H minus M, let us take. H is nothing but 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Is it giving? Correct?
Yeah.
So can I keep this as the size of the left array and right array?
Yes.
Okay. So first I am creating a left array and right array. So left array size is m minus l plus 1. Right array size would be?
H minus.
Yeah. So why am I creating these arrays? So because I have the indexes, L index, middle index, high index I do not have, in order to perform two-way merging, I need two sorted arrays. So that's the reason first I created array. Now, for these arrays, where the data is present? You know the
In
indexes, correct?
array. Yeah.
See, in the original array, you have the data. So 0 to 2, you copy it to left side array. 3 to 4, you copy it to right side array, correct? Now, simply can I use for loop? I equal to 0, I less than L1 dot length, I plus plus. Now, L1 of I equal to, what should I do?
A of
A of I. Okay. Now, similarly, what I should do for right side? J equal to 0,
R.
J less than R1 dot length, J plus plus. I can use I plus plus also because that is a inner. R1 of I equal to A of J. Correct? Yeah. But what is the problem here? Now here, whenever you are copying, this looks good, guys. For left array, you start with 0, you copy it to 2. This looks good. But for example, if you have a very big array, let us take, you have these many elements. Okay, you broken down, you found out m value and you broken down. This is your left, this is your right. Again, in the right also, you might have to do division, correct? Let us take, this is somewhere 6, this is 12. Okay, 6 plus 12 by 2. 18 by 2, 9. So that means again you need to break, correct? Within the right side, this will become your left array, agree? And this will become right array, and 9 index, and this will be 6th index, and this is 9 index, this is 12 index or something, correct? You guys agree with me? Now, if I say directly simply I value, what is the I value here? Always you are copying 0th index. Left array means, see here in this scenario, left array means 0th index. But in this scenario, whenever you broke this 6 to 12 into this array like this, what is your left index? 6. Correct? That means you should, from the original array, you need to copy A of 6, A of 7, A of 8, A of 9, correct? To the left array. But if you are using I, then always what you are copying? 0th index, which is wrong, correct? So can I do plus L so that whatever the L is coming, see, look at here in the merge method, you're passing different L. For example, in this position, if this is a merge method, then what you are passing A comma 3 comma 3 comma 4. What is this 3L? That means you need to, left array will contain 3 comma 3. Right array will contain 3 plus 1 comma 4, correct? You understand? Or any confusion?
It's a little confusing.
Okay, fine. Let's complete this. Let's put whatever we think, I mean, we'll come up with a scenario and then I will explain.
No.
Let's put m plus 1. Okay, don't worry about this. Let's debug this. So I equal to let's remove this one, two arrays. Okay, C array I don't need to create. Because I wanted to use the same array. I less than, what I will do, I less than L1 dot length, J less than R1 dot length. Just wait for a minute. I'm just changing the variables because see, we also have in the down we have I variable, right? So it is coming duplicate. So I'm just changing. Let's change this array names as A array and B array so that it will be simplified to the two emerging. Let's keep it. Just a minute, let me complete and I will explain. Okay, now let's let's start with this program with a recursion. So now let us take this is the array. So first, what is the A value from main method whenever you start debugging? What is the L value? Speak with me.
0.
L value is 0 and H value will be
4.
H
4.
value will be 4, correct? Okay. Now 0 less than 4, is it true? Yes.
Mm.
And M will be 0 plus 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. Here it is already there. Okay. Now the first recursion looks like this, correct? Everyone agree with me? And this
Yes.
also, so compiler looks at these values and then here also this you have a merge method, correct? A comma 0 comma 2 comma 4. So this is how the three methods looks like. Agree with me?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now, but when this line will execute? After completion of this method, correct? A comma 0 comma 2. So now in order every time you cannot write an algorithm, right? So I'm telling you the best way to write in the Intel Eclipse itself. Now here merge A comma 0 comma 2 means what you're doing, you're calling same method. Now your L value will be 0
Yes.
and H value will be 2, correct? Now this will be further recursively called into 0 less than 2. Is it true?
Yes.
Whenever 0 less than 2, then this M value will be 0 plus 2 by 2, 1, correct? Now here can I say this will be further called merge sort A comma L value is 0 comma M value is 1. This is one left side and this will be your right side, correct? M plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 comma H value is 2 and again you have merge method, correct? Merge
Yes.
A comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. Do you guys agree this one? Everyone with me?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now when this will be, see, that means what I'm doing, instead of writing in a notepad, I'm making sure that I'm writing here, correct? Now when this method will execute? After completion of this only, correct?
Mm.
Yeah. Let's do here. See, I am doing a tab every time to make sure that it's a different method. Now what is the L value here? L is 0, H is 1,
1.
M will 0 less than 1 is the condition is true. See, I'm evaluating inside this method. Once you call it 0 less than L less than H is there. 0 less than 1, yes, it is true. Then you are evaluating 0 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but
0.
0. M value is 0. Okay. Now at that time, how does the method will be changing? Merge sort A comma, what is the L value? 0 comma 0 comma 1. Okay. Merge sort M plus 1. L value is still 0.
But
M
that will
value
have
is
3 parameters. It's a merge sort.
yeah, sorry, 2 parameters only. My mistake. Yeah, correct. M plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and right is 1. And you have a merge method. Merge method will have 3 parameters. Correct. My mistake. Merge A comma L is 0, M is 0, H is 1. Correct. Now, I hope you guys understand this is how till it will execute with me.
Yes.
I hope everyone is with me.
Yes.
Okay. Now, from this one, what will happen? What is the L value here?
0.
Sorry. This is 0, correct? Yeah. Now here L value is
0.
0 and M value is, sorry, H value is also 0.
0.
Now 0 less than 0, is it true?
No.
False. That means the recursion is stopped. That means you got individual element as 0, 0. In this example, 0, 0 means what?
First element.
This one, correct?
56.
Yeah. Yeah. Now next you will go to the next method. What is that method? 1, 1 again. 1 less than 1. Is it fail?
Yes.
That means recursion is broken. You got one more individual element, correct? Now,
Yes.
can I perform the two-way merging on top of these two?
Yes, we can.
Now, in order to perform the two-way merging, what are you doing? You are calling this merge method, correct?
Yes.
Now, from this one, can I say my merge method will execute? Now, here it will come. Here in this merge method, what are my L values? L equal to 0.
0.
L equal to 0, comma, M equal to 0, comma, H equal to 1. So, whenever you have, what is your left array, guys? Tell me. Left array will be 0, 0 index. Right array will be 1, 1 index, correct? See, whenever you have the indexes like this, what is your L to M will be your left array, correct? And M plus 1 to H will be your right array. Agree?
Yes.
Formula
Yes.
was L plus 1 something, right?
No.
M.
No. M plus, see, assume, see, this is your formula, right? I mean, these are your indexes. Now, what are your left array? L to M, because L it starts with 0. 0 to M will be your left array. M plus 1 to H will be your right array, correct?
Yeah, yes.
So that is what I am passing here. M plus 1 to H, L to M, correct? Right? Now what I need to do? My data is, see, I have the indexes. Now I need to prepare two arrays, left array and right array with my indexes, correct? Now here, in order to create left array, first I need to create the size, correct? See, M minus L plus 1, which is nothing but 0 minus 0 plus 1, which is nothing but one element, correct? Left array size is 1. You are with me? And right array size will be H minus M. H is what? 1. 1 minus 0. 1. So that means, do I have the individual arrays?
Yes.
Left
Yes.
array size is 1. So that is nothing but this. See, I created simply arrays. Now what if I print? If I print here, sys out arrays dot toString, what is the value of L1? What is the output I will get from here? And R1. What I will get, you tell me. Do you have the data, or we just define the arrays only?
No,
Only
only we
define.
defined it.
We define the arrays. Now, why are you defining the arrays? Because to perform the two-way merging, you need two arrays. So first, in order to create arrays, you need a array definition. what is the size, etc. You create it. Now I need to populate the data to these arrays. Agree with me?
Yes.
Now how do I populate? Where is my data? In my original array, in this method you have an original array. Now in the original array, 0, 0 index will be your left array data, 1, 1 index will be your right array data, correct? Now in this example, I have at this point of time, I have only one element. So can I write for loop? Correct? For x equal to 0, x less than L1 dot length, x plus plus. So can I say L1 of 0 equal to A of 0? That means my left array will become L1 equal to, what is your data? 56, correct? After executing this for loop, L1 equal to 56. Agree?
Yes.
Now, similarly, next, y equal to 0, y less than R1 dot length. That means 0 less than 1. So what is your m value? 0. 0 plus 1 plus y. So 0 plus 1 plus y is nothing but again 1. So here this will be R1 of 0 equal to, what is your data? 4. So your left array is having 56 and right array is having 4, correct?
Yes.
Now can I apply the two-way merging? I less than L1 dot length, j less than R1 dot length. See, L1 of I is less than R1 of j. So that is nothing but here 56 is less than 4. Is it true?
False.
No. Then what it will do?
False.
It will swap within the same array. I am not, see here. Earlier we used to create a resultant array, correct? But I am not creating a resultant array. Within the left array itself, I am swapping, correct? Look at here. L1 of k equal to R1 of j. That means I am assigning. So this will go here, this will come here. So this array looks like 56, 4, correct?
Okay.
Sorry, 4, 56. Okay? You agree? So here that means L1 of k has become, it is copied the 4. Now in the down, this loop is broken. After that, you have right array data, correct? This will be copied, correct? You agree with me so far? Any questions, anyone?
Clear, sir.
Sir, can you go to down, sir?
Yeah.
Copying the arrays L1 dot length.
Same thing. Instead of a comma b, I just kept L1 array, right array. And instead of creating a resultant array, I'm using the original left array only, original array only. Or I see, instead of L, I should keep A. Sorry, my mistake. I should keep A here. A of k. Original array, I'm doing the changes. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, done. Now next, so since this is completed, at some point of time, see like this recursion, at some point of time, I might come to this place, correct? You agree? Are you with me? Or at some point of time, at the end, I have to do the merge of a comma 0 comma 2 comma 4. Do you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Whenever I'm performing, if for example, if I'm performing merge of a comma 2 comma 4, what does it mean? L value is 0, M value is 2, and H value is 4.
4.
That means what is your left array size would be?
0 to 2
Yeah, 0 to 2 means
is 3.
how do you define the size? M minus L plus 1, which is nothing but 2 minus 0 plus 1, which is nothing but 3, correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
one more thing, Karthik, like line number 48, can we directly say M plus 1? Or,
Because that is what I'm coming.
yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's take then, this is an array. Let's take this array you have. Okay. Instead of this example, you take this example. You are saying that M plus 1, correct? Now, why that is wrong? I am telling you now. See here, let us take at some, see here, always you don't, do you think that always you get 0 L value? Or it depends on your recursion algorithm? Abhishek.
No, for as of now, what I think it will be, most of the time it will be 0.
Yeah, but if you see here, now, for example, let us take 56, 491, right? 56, 4, 91, what is it? 15.3, correct? 15.3. So generally what will happen? Always we focus on this array, correct? So 0 to 2, 3 to 4. So till now we started with this and we are focusing left. So whenever you're coming with left, your size L is equal to 0. But after that, can I say that you have to perform the divide conquer for this also? 3, 4?
Yes.
So whenever you are performing, what is your individual arrays? These are the individual arrays. And what are the indexes? 3, 4,
3 and
correct?
4.
Now,
Yes.
for this, what is your left arrays? Your L is 3 and H is 4, correct? M plus H, sorry, L plus H by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2, 7 by 2, which is nothing but 3. So that means your L is 3, M is also 3, and H equal to 4. Now you need to create a left array from the out of these indexes, and you need to create a right array, correct? And then you perform the merge, correct?
Yes, yes.
Now, whenever you perform the merge, this is nothing but this line of statement, correct? Where it is? Yeah. See, do you see? This
Yes.
after you got the 3 less than 3, that means you got an individual array, which is 15. 4 less than 4, you got an individual array, correct?
15.
Now, in order, I need to perform on top of these two, I need to merge two-way merging, and then I have to do like this, correct? 3 and 15, correct?
Yes.
Now, in order to do that, can I say this is my merge method?
Yes.
Now, let's do the debugging for this merge method, okay? See, if I explain entire program, it may take 2 to 3 hours. So I'm taking a bits and pieces. Now here, what you said, the size would be M plus 1, correct? I mean,
Yes.
you're thinking like,
Yes.
now, if you see, whenever your L is 3, I mean, in this example, A comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 means what is your L value? 3,
3.
M value is 3,
3.
and H value is 4. Now you, according to the concept, what is your size of left array is L to M. That means what indexes it will hold? 3 comma 3,
3.
correct? And what is the right index it will hold? 3 plus 1, 4 comma 4, correct?
Yes.
Whenever you say 3 comma 3, what is your size of the array? One
Size
element.
one element.
One element. 4 comma 4 means?
1.
1. So concept wise also, this is one individual array, this is one individual array, you are clubbing, correct?
Yes.
But now, if you are using, your idea is to keep M plus 1, correct? Generally, correct? Now, if you are putting, what is your M value?
3.
3 plus 1?
4.
4. Your left array size will become 4 elements. But technically speaking, what is your size of the array?
1.
1. So you understand this is wrong?
Yes.
That means M plus 1 will only work for left side. Within the right side also, you have to divide again. You come to the left, right?
Yes. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
the reason for in order to work, see, always how, for example, it is like you have, for example, you started from your home. I mean, let us take, I started from Secunderabad to high-tech city. Okay. And high-tech city to Bangalore, and Bangalore to Chennai I am going. Okay. Now, if I ask you, what is the distance between Chennai and Bangalore? You do Chennai minus Secunderabad distance, you will get it. But if I ask you distance between high-tech city and Chennai, do you come here and then do and all, or directly can I do? Chennai minus high-tech city I can do, correct? Similarly, here also, whenever you're going towards right side, within the right side, you are dividing, correct? Again, you will have a left, again, you have a right. So you need to hold high minus low will always give you the height of a tree, height of a array, correct? So that is the reason I am doing always M minus L plus 1. Hope you understand.
Yes. Yes. Got it. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Now the right side array would be H minus M, correct? Now in this example, now I need to, so my left array is 1. Okay. Now I need to populate the data, correct? So from the array, if I write the for loop like this, which element it will copy? Left array, which element it will copy? If I have the for loop, Nagaraj, there is a doubt you had, right?
Yes.
In this example, left array should hold which element? You tell me according to the concept. Left array should hold what element? if you are doing a merge of a comma 3 comma 3 comma 4, your left array is L equal to 3, M equal to 3 means L to M is your left array, which is nothing but 3 comma 3 index. 3 comma 3 is nothing but third index value, correct?
Third index, yes.
And the right array will be M plus 1 to H, which is nothing but 4
4.
comma 4, right? Now, if I use this code, which index it will copy to the left array from the original array?
0.
0. But is it correct?
No, sir.
Now, what I need to do? I don't see. That means if I put just simply X, that means it will work for only left side. Within the right, if you go for a left, it won't work. You agree
Yes.
with that statement?
Yes, sir.
Now, in order to make it work, what should I do?
We need to copy L.
So, see here, what is, I need to start with L always, correct?
Yes.
If it is a right side, L will hold some other value. If it is a left side, L will hold 0. So, can I put simply L? If I put L, always left side L will be 0 only, correct? See, whenever you call this method, merge method, if you're doing a left side sorting, see 0, anything with the 0 plus 0, it will be same value. But if you are going towards right side, that L you are copying. Now, if I put L, then 0 plus 3, X value is 0, plus L value is 3. 0 plus 3 is nothing but
3.
3. That is nothing but you are copying A of 3 into your left array, correct?
Hmm.
Now, A of 3 into your left array means, what is that? 15, correct? Your left array is 15. Your left array is 15. Now, what will be your right array, guys? In this example, what will be your right array? 4, 3 plus 1, 4 comma 4, correct? Now, how do I get that? See what? M plus 1, correct?
4
And plus Y,
plus
which
0.
is nothing but? M is
4
nothing
plus
but
0.
3. 3 plus
Yes.
0,
3 plus 1 plus 0. Sir.
yeah. 3 plus 1 plus 0, which is nothing but
4.
4. A of 4 is nothing but what? 3, correct? Now, that means I have a left array which is 15, right array is 3. Can I perform this two-way merging?
Hmm.
Yeah, correct. Now, these are small arrays I have taken. For example, now, how do you see the difference? Now, why do you see now? You might ask, sir, I can put M plus 1 only. Why did I put Y? Why do you need this Y? Because
We
if
have
your
to
left
copy
array is
from
having,
there. Yeah.
if you have a very big array left side, correct? See, it's at some point of time. In my example, my only one elements I have, correct? For example, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is your left. I'm leaving left. I'm coming to the right. In this right, what is your right? ML 6. H will be 14. 14 plus 6 by 2. 20 by 2, which is nothing but 10. So within the right, within this right, can I say this till here you were left, correct? And from here to here right, you agree? Within the entire, see, this is a left array, you will further break. But if you are trying to break further here, this is your right array, first initial right. And within that, you are doing a left and right. Now here you have multiple elements. In order to, if you are in order to copy the multiple elements, you need a for loop. So that is the reason I have written a for loop, correct? Hope you understand. Now, how do I break this code? So now the first part is divide conquer. You know this one? Do you guys know? Do you guys understand the divide conquer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now, once you do the divide conquer, can I say from here, it will be a two-way merging?
Hmm.
Okay. Now, only thing, what is new code that we have written? This. What is this code? Can someone explain me? What is the significance of this code?
So we are just copying to left and right arrays.
First, in order to perform two-way merging, you need two arrays. So
They
you
are
are initializing the arrays, correct? Right? And then you are copying the data from original array to this array. That's it. Right? So this is how the merge sort works on the principle of two-way merging. Let me call this and then let's print it at the end. After L less than, okay, let's. sysout arrays.toString A. Let's run the program. Is it sorted?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
Sir,
how the
also
merge
can
sort
you
works.
print the A in the merge method, sir?
Yeah.
Every time how it is copying.
So after merge
Yes.
method?
No, sir. In merge method,
Okay.
so you can print the A also. Array. Last, sir. At last.
Each point of time it will
Yeah.
copy.
Yes. Each point of time need to see like.
Yeah. See? Okay. This is like Wikipedia only now. Let me show you. I have shown you the example of Wikipedia, right? So now, so when you start doing, see this here, you agree with me that recursion is broken, correct? Individual element 0, 0 and 1, 1 is another individual element. See in this array, 0, 0 is 56, 1, 1 is nothing but 4. Now, if you apply the two-way merging, how does it look like? Remaining elements will be same. If you apply the two-way merging, what will be your result? 4, 56, 91, 15, 3, correct?
Yes.
See, this is the output, correct?
Hmm.
Now, after that, what you are doing? See, where it, yeah, look at here. Merge A, 0, 1, 2. So 0, 0, 1 will be your left array and 2 will be your right array. 0, 1 is nothing but what? 56, 4, like 4, 56, it happened. And 91 is your right side, correct? Now this will be, look at 4, 56, 91, correct? Now after that, you come towards left side. 3, 3, 4. So 3, 3, 4 means 59, 3 will be swapped with 3 and 15. Look at here. Okay. Now this is your left and this is your right. How do you do? This is what the final array. Hope you understand.
Yes. We need to again one more time. We will go and we'll understand that.
So mainly you will face a problem of writing this one only. But now, I mean, I have explained, right? Why did I put, why should I put only m minus l plus 1, not m plus 1? So if you understand that, it would become easy. Now here also, why should I use L? You understand, right? Because to cover the left side of arrays, you should use. If you are using only X, always it will concentrate on the 0th index. But sometimes we don't need a 0th index, correct? That is the reason. Now, why did I spend so much of time on this? Now, in the next topic, we'll see the quicksort. Quicksort also works on the divide conquer. Okay. That means it is also like whenever I say divide conquer, can I use same thing? Like calling the same method, right? Now, only the change in the quicksort would be here what you are how you are dividing. You are just using some formula L plus H by 2. But in the quicksort, the way it will work is quicksort works based on the partition. You take one element and you, so let's tell you the introduction for quicksort. Okay. Now, in the quicksort, what I will do is I will take first element as a pivot element or last element as a pivot element. And pivot is nothing but just a name. Pivot is nothing but important, the English meaning. Okay. Now you can take first element as a pivot element or last element as a pivot element. So if you are taking the last element as a pivot element, that is called as Lomotos partition. If you are taking the first element as a pivot element, that is called as Horace partition. Okay. Now we'll see both. First, let us take Lomotos partition. That means you are taking the last element as a pivot element and you are doing some logic. That means you are comparing this last element with all the elements and you are putting that after you are doing the comparisons, your array looks like all the elements of okay. Now, you are taking the last element as a pivot element, and then what I'm saying is you will do some comparisons. How, what, we will see that later. But after doing the comparisons, if you are getting a array like this, then can someone tell me which element is sorted in this entire array, which element is sorted? What is the meaning of sorted? You have an element in one position. The position of the array should not change, correct? Now here, if you look at the pivot is nothing but 12 I have taken. Now, if you look at the position of 12, before 12, are the elements are sorted? Before 12, left side of 12, are the elements are sorted? Or it may not be, or it may be, or it may not be. Let us take like this. Now, before 12, are the elements are sorted?
No.
After 12, are the elements are sorted?
No.
No. Even if you sort here, what is the position of 12? What is the index of 12? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 12 element position is 4. Now, and before 12, it is not sorted. After 12, it's not sorted. But what is your observation? Before 12, what kind of elements are present?
Less than
less than
12.
12, correct? After 12, greater than 12, correct? Now, the idea is you will take a last element as a pivot element and you do some comparisons. You will keep the array in such a way that left side of array will be lesser than pivot element. Right side of array would be higher than the pivot element. And then even if I sort it, now why am I telling, can I say that 12 is sorted in this array?
Yes.
Why?
Because left side is less than 12 and right side is greater than 12. So after sorting also, the 12 will be on the same index.
Yeah, 12 position will not going to change. Because see, less
Yes.
than 12, left side of 12 is lesser than 12. Even if you sort, let's do the sorting 0, 3, 6, 9. Even after performing, what is my 12 position? 12 position is not changed, correct?
Yes.
That means you are putting a pivot element in such a way that all the left side elements are lesser than pivot and right side elements are higher than pivot. And if you do that, what can I say? My pivot element is sorted, correct? Yes. So now what I need to apply? Now I will, based on this pivot position. So what is my pivot position? My 4 element is sorted, right? Now 0 to 4 minus 1, is it sorted? Or 4 plus 1 to 6, is it sorted? No. That means I will perform the divide conquer based on the pivot position. 0 to pivot position, I will do the divide conquer. And pivot plus 1 to height of the array, I will do the divide conquer. In merge sort, we are doing M, correct? In the merge sort, M equal to L plus H by 2. And then at the end, I am performing two-way merging. But in the quick sort, we don't need a two-way merging. Whenever you perform this partition is making sure that the element is sorted. Now, if you apply that same two-way merging here, then one more, you take this element as a pivot element, then each time whenever you take the pivot element, that element is getting sorted. You don't need a two-way merging. So that is the principle of quick sort, which we are going to see like this. But in the quick sort also, we use a divide conquer algorithm. But how the merge sort and quick sort are different is, in the merge sort, in order to divide, we are using L plus H by 2. But when it comes to a quick sort, we are doing a division based on the partition or pivot element. You take one element and you keep that element in such a way that lesser than element, all the elements lesser than to that pivot element are left side. All the elements greater than the pivot elements are towards right side, so that your pivot is sorted. So you will do the apply the same algorithm 0 to pivot element and pivot plus 1 to height of the array. So that is just an introduction to the quick sort. So which we are going to see the complete algorithm and then explanation, coding, everything in the Monday class. So with today, the demo class are completed, guys, and it will not be extended. We have extended the demo classes for yesterday and today because some enrollment problems that you guys said. So from Monday onwards, if you are interested, you please do the enrollment and you will be added to a WhatsApp group. Okay, and another thing is, and for those who enroll for this course, I hope you have given with the Ashok IT credentials, correct? Website.
Yes.
So you know how to enroll, how to join the everyday class through the portal.
Yeah, today I joined with the portal itself.
Yeah. So I mean, even the link is getting changed or whatever it is for you. No, guys, there will not be any impact. It will be taken care from the back end. So every day you just need to log into the portal and then join the class. And I'll be sharing a notes in maybe Monday or Tuesday. I will be sharing a DSA notes and whatever the code I have written so far. And
Yes, the class notes, it was not showing any link in the portal actually. So
yeah, I have not.
asking.
Yeah, because we are in the demo site, I haven't uploaded anything.
No.
Okay. Right. The merge sort.
So I have one question on this merge sort.
Yes.
So
Yeah, just a
we
minute.
say like, okay.
Yes. So the work for the day is write a program for the merge sort algorithm and the program, and you will be stopped somewhere, and then you can ask me the question. Yeah, go ahead. What is your question?
So regarding the time complexity, so we say n log n for this, right?
Yes, correct.
I just wanted
Why
to
it is
understand,
n
like,
log n?
yes, yeah.
Okay.
So more of
Now let's take for simplicity, for easy explanation purpose, I am taking 8 elements. Okay. Some 81, 71, 60, 50, 40, 30. Okay. So let us take, how many elements I have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How many elements I have taken? 8 elements, correct?
8. Yes.
Okay. Now, so how many times I need to do? 0 plus 7 by 2 first. 7 by 2 is nothing but 3, correct? So 0 to 3 is first time, correct? Division.
Yes.
I'm not writing the numbers, okay? Because we need
Yes.
4, 5, 6, 7. So can I say this is first divide conquer?
Yes.
I'm writing 1. Now next, further you need to do the divide conquer here and here also, correct? Let's take me different color. So here divide conquer will be 0 plus 3 by 2, 1, 4 plus 7 by 2, 11 by 2, which is nothing but 5, correct? So
Yeah.
0 to 1, this is your here 4 to 5. These are indexes only, not the values. Okay. So can I say this is second divide conquer?
Yes.
Okay. Now third divide conquer, what will happen? 0 plus 1 by 2. Here you apply 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 5 by 2. There is some background noise. Yeah. There is some background noise. Yeah, thanks. Now 0 plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, 0. So that means, can I say this is individual arrays you will get now?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is third divide conquer, correct? Now, if you have 8 elements, how many divide conquers you have done?
3.
3. So now let's take one formula. Let's take, I have, log, correct? Log a power n. What is the formula for, what is the answer for this? Log a power n. N into log a. Can I write? This will come to the top, correct?
Yes. And
okay. Now, similarly, let's take here, what is the number of elements?
8.
8. So let us take it as a n equal to 8. So let me write this in a logarithmic format. Log 8. Okay, I'm doing a reverse engineering, guys. Instead of telling why should I go for log n, I'm going, if I take log n, let us take that I'm taking the time complexity of only for divide conquer is log n. So what is in n value in this example? 8, correct? Yeah, log 8. How can I write log 8? Log 2 cube, can I write? 2 cube is nothing but 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2.
Yes.
Okay. Now here, how do I write log 2 cube? 3 log 2, correct?
Yes.
And anything log a base a, what is the value? anything to the power and base will be 1, correct? If it is same, right? You know log 10 base 10. What is the value? It's 1, correct? Yeah. Similarly, here log 2, this is also base 2. Log 2 base 2 will be 1. So what this log 8 formula is giving you? 3. What is this 3? It's nothing but your number of divide conquers, correct? 1, 2, 3. So that means in order to do the divide conquer, can I use log n as a time complexity? Simply. Only for divide conquer. Do you understand?
Yeah. So it will take 3 iteration for 8 elements. Just we see.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So by using a log, see, ideally what you might be thinking that, how am I getting log? That I should tell you. But instead, that might be a very mathematical computation, which is difficult to understand. So what I have done is, I have taken some, see, if I take n square, will it work? 8 square, 64. Is it matching with your number of iterations, concept-wise? See, concept-wise, how many iterations you have done? 3.
3.
But if I take n square,
64.
64, is it matching?
No.
So that means I can get rid of n square. Done. Now next, let's take n. What is n? Let us take
8.
big O of n. 8. 8 is matching with 3?
No.
No, that is done. So ignore this. Now let us take one more. You have something called root n, correct? Root 8. It is something 2 square, it is greater than 2 square and less than 3 square, correct? Not exactly, correct? So get rid of this. Now, similarly like this, there is something called log n. Now I apply the same formula in the log n. Now, were you able to get these 3 iterations?
Yes.
So that means, is it matching? So can I say that the divide and conquer complexity will be log n?
Yes, we
Correct?
can say.
Yeah. Now, for example, now this immediately question can come, sir, what happens if you have 9 elements or 10 elements? So how can I write 10? 2 cube plus something, correct? So that is 3 point something. That means it will take 4 iterations. It is as simple as that, okay? But in order to make a exact value, I have used 8 elements. Now, after doing, now this is your time complexity for only divide conquer. Now, after performing the divide conquer, what you are doing? You're doing it 2 emerging, correct?
2 emerging, yes.
So here, see here, how many elements are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So see, these are the number of 2 emerges you will do, correct? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Correct. So how many you are doing? If you count it, this is 1, 2, 3, correct? Here 3. Now here this will be 4, 5, and 6, correct? Total 6 as of now. So this will be a 7th one, correct?
Yes.
So worst scenario, how many you might do?
7.
8. I mean, close to, I'm coming in inside n equal to 8, correct? So can I say that n times I'm doing once you perform the log n divide conquer, n times I'm performing a merging, correct?
Yes, close to n.
So,
Okay.
yeah, so that is the reason the time complexity is n log n, the worst case. Best case is different. I'm talking about a worst case. Worst case time complexity would be n log n. Hope you understand, right?
Yes, yes, I got it. So there is anything, okay, just to check if it is already, sorted and so
There
some
is,
condition.
yeah, you still, I mean, yeah, like a bubble sort, we have written a Boolean condition, optimized
similar we
merge
can-
sort, correct? Yeah, you can do, still you can do. See, if it is already sorted, see, simply you can see, one I can say that, see, for example, if the given array is like this. Okay, this is array given to you. Then they are asking you to apply the merge sort. Then in the bubble sort, what you are doing, you are using a Boolean variable. Similar to that, we can also use something here. Or you can also already simply write one for loop to check your array is sorted or not, correct? If this element, see, a of I plus 1 is greater than a of I. If this condition is always true, then what does it mean? You iterate over the array and you check a of I plus 1 is greater than a of I. What is the meaning?
It means like it is in a sorted order.
Yeah. So
because
one
it's
simplest way is, before you apply your logic, you check this, correct? If it is true, then you don't even call your method, correct? I mean, another way. But like bubble sort, we can also do the simplification for merge sort also.
So this will not impact the time complexity, right?
Because it's a sequential, right? If for example, if this is executing, then do you execute the next code? If this is true,
No.
do you execute the next code?
No.
If it is false, then this will take big O of n and next will take some time. So total you are doing plus, correct?
Yes.
So if you do big O of n, it will become 2 big O of n. So 2 is cancel only big O of n.
Big of n.
When you consider about the time complexity, you are not telling number of minutes, correct? You are denoting in mathematical combination only, correct?
Yes. Yes.
If you have two components, it will become plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. But at the end, you are ignoring that plus 2 and plus 3, correct? The
Yes,
constant value
constant.
you're ignoring. So there is no change, right?
Yeah, sure.
That means if I, in a program, one after other, if I write 10 for loops, what is the time complexity?
Again, the same big O of n.
Big O of n only, correct?
Yes.
So technically you speak, you get 10 times big O of n, correct? But 10 is a constant. In this program, you have a 10. In some other program, you might have 20, right?
Yes.
You ignore that, correct? Yeah, that is the thing.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that is all for today. And in the Monday class, we'll see the quick sort. And that will be interesting, guys. Okay, since you know the divide conquer, I request you guys to write the divide conquer algorithm for merge sort and write the program and come back to me if you have any questions.
Sure.
Yeah. If no question, then that's all for today. And thanks for those who are watching on YouTube. If you are interested to enroll, you can reach out to Ashok IT website. Just go to Google and type ashokit.in. So if you are interested to join this course, you can reach out to this website, or you can message by clicking this one. You can reach out on this mobile number or click on this message. They'll get back to you with the details. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.